What's up, you Queen Scholastic Type? Today I'm playing Pet Simulator again, and today I'm with my friend Avery. And right now I'm in the snowland area, and actually, okay, so sorry, everyone's like asking me if I can get, if they can take, like if I can trade in my pets, like my good pets. I keep saying no, and yeah, it keeps going on and on. Anyways, it just gets annoying, like, oh, let me trade with Avery. Well, oh my gosh, someone has. Okay, well, I'm not gonna give her any of my good. I'm gonna give her the pets that I want. So let's see. No, I don't want that. Okay, you know what? No. Oh my gosh, see what I'm talking about, you guys? Like, they're asking me for my pets. Like, I worked hard. I'm. Okay, so it's just like. Oh my god, like, it's annoying. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Like, I play this game every single day just to, like, level up. I don't want oh my god, you know what? I'm gonna do, like. These people are about to drive me crazy. Uh, I should probably go for a good one. Oh my god! These people. Okay, actually, no, no one give me that. Okay. Okay, actually. Okay, sorry guys, like. Am I assuming? Okay. Oh my god, that pillow scared me. Oh my god, Avery, you just put. Okay, you know what? Like, I'm gonna get stressed over it again. I can't spell. Um. Oh my god, it's so hard. Like, finally. Okay, so I know for. This is like, I'm very impatient, you guys. Like, when my mom takes like 2 hours in the store, I'm like, can we go? Can we go? So yeah, I'm very impatient if you didn't know. Yeah. Now I'm gonna check my trade future. Yeah. I mean, I don't really care. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm too lazy to type you're welcome, so I just say YW and my friends know that means you're welcome. Like stop please talk to me because like see what I'm talking about, you guys? Anyways, you're looking this one. So Chris and I got in a fight, so we're not like talking basically. So we're having a friend hunt. So I'm having this guy tell her what I'm saying to him basically. So yeah, I don't know what my friends are talking about to me. Anyways, like I was saying, so yeah. Anyways, basically I'm done with this game because I got everything. I got past. Okay, hold on. What did he say? I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so like I was saying. Okay, guys. So remember when we got these two levels? This one over here. The one that was just in, and then this one. Oh sure, I said oh wait no, I said level 3 I was going to bed. Okay, never mind. Cause I'm going. My mom's making me go to the gym tomorrow, and yeah, basically she's forcing me to work out. But my friends. Okay, so guys, when I was recording with my friend Josh, um, we were in this level right, and then this one was blocked off. Cause I didn't have enough snow cones for that. But guess what? I kept playing this game and got enough. But the thing is, it takes forever. So whenever I play this game, I usually watch YouTube. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on so they can just like leave me alone. I hate the sound. Oh, great, she's back online. Anyways, I swear, those people keep on asking me for my good pets. I'm gonna lose my mind. The people, Fraser Malia. Why would you wanna? Okay, I'm just not gonna put stress on today, everyone. I'm just gonna sit. I'm just gonna stay on this king and just like yeah. Liz, are you recording? Yes, I'm recording. Oh my god, I'm talking. Okay, see, like when what bothers me is that like my friends like take advantage of me for my YouTube video or like YouTube channel. But yeah, that just bothers me because like it feels like they're just being my friends just so they can be in their YouTube video. Am I? Oh my god, who's talking to me? I'll be right back, you guys. What? But like, okay, I'm back, you guys. Anyways, but what like makes me mad is like that they like take advantage of me, like of me for my YouTube channel just so they can be in my YouTube video, like you know. Anyways, No what? You know what? Hold on. How many pets do I have? Two, three. Why are you chatting with me? Okay, I guess you guys can see the drama. Yeah, it's okay. I'm like inside. Okay, anyways, whoa. What's, whoa. Okay. But yeah, I remember, like, I started playing this game, like, maybe 4 weeks ago, maybe? No. Yeah, I think it was 4 weeks ago, but anyways. But now, I don't remember when I started this game, but damn, I finished this game because I basically got to this level. And it's basically, oh, he's typing to me again. I just got lots of cones. Cool. I'm gonna trade with her again, actually. Where is he? White boy. Oh, I. Oh my god, why did I just put a smile on my face? Oh my god, we're waiting for her to request, to accept. Okay. Anyways, I'm girl. What? Oh no, that's Alea. The girl who kept asking me for what sort of pets. Let's say, Avery, accept the request. Okay, never mind. Never mind! Wait, what does she mean to responding fast? I mean, you wouldn't need all this stuff. See what I mean? That's my name. Oh my god. This is so annoying, guys. Wait, hold on. Maybe put one gold pad. Wait, what's that gold? No, I'm not gonna go put any of those pads. Mm. Oh wait, I have two gold junior balloons. I'll give her this one. Okay. Yes. Press ready, Avery. I missed it. I put a smile on my face. I put a smile on my. I must say that that actually did put a smile on my face. You guys can see what my oh my god. Alright. Is this gonna press wedding or what? But yeah, that actually put a smile on my face, you guys. Actually, he's kinda in a YouTuber, cause like, I'm gonna say, Avery, press ready. Oh, I can't even, oh my god, why do you tag Avery? Avery. Oh my god. So, press one. Wow. Wow, she left. Okay, well. I don't know. I'm talking to my BFF right now. Anyways, wow, she ditched me. My own friend ditched me. Maybe she sent me something. Woo! Wow, she ditched me. She got offline. Okay, well, I'm turning this off so no one. I'm gonna say yeah. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, that's it for the YouTube video. So like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Anyways, adios, you guys.